So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can install the plugin. Now in the left side, you'll find the plugin option and click on the add new plugin. And here I'm going to add the plugin. So I'm going to just close the staging website and like this. I'm going to do all the changes on my live website. Okay. So here at my page, this is the plugin section. Okay. Now let's click on the add new plugin. Now click on the like here. So there's two options for like rank maths and use SEO. So I'm going to use the rank maths like this. And you'll see the rank math SEO plugin. I'm going to use the rank maths SEO. Let's click on the activate. Now you can see connect free accounts. I'm going to just escape now for everything. Okay. And I'll just say the advanced. You can see here, this is the import SEO settings. So we don't have any, settings for now. Let's click on escape. You see the website info, like everything here. You just need to fill the data and let's click on the save and continue. And I'm going to just escape that setup. Sitemap. Yes, save and continue. Yes, it's done. And let's click on the return to the dashboard. Now, how we can do the SEO, how we can add the SEO words and how we can do the SEO things. So see, there are a lot of options for the SEO. You need to fill all the information. You can check that, but I'm going to show you the simple way. So let's open, suppose, any product page. Okay. So in the left side, you will find the option of products. Okay. See this one, click on the all products here. Now you can see a lot of products. Now let's open any product like TCP back. Let's click on the edit option. Now scroll down and you will see the SEO for that, SEO option for that. You'll see here the rank math SEO. That product will look like this. TCP back, codingbus.shop, and this is the link for the page. You can edit this snippet also like this. You'll see you can change the title name, you can change the param link, and you can add your description also. So I just say this product is amazing and this is from TCB shop like this. So let's click on this. It's done. Cross this. And you can see this is the preview that will look like this. Okay. Now you can see the focus keyword. So focus keyword that should be TCP bag for here like this. Okay. Now scroll down. You will see there are a lot of options. You need to add the meta description. You need to add the at least 8 word long. Okay. So you can do a lot of things. Okay. There's a lot more option. You will see that every page have there are a lot of things like you need to put the URL should be this. You need to put the links. You need to put the like this. There are a lot of things like see there's no any much description. So you can put the description because they are saying like you need to put at least 500 words description like this. So you can do a lot of things like short description is here like this. So there are a lot of options for the SEO here. So this is the plugin setup and how you can do the basic SEO like this. Okay. So now I'm going to just publish this product for now. Let's update this and this is done. Now this is our website is ready. Now let's do some more changes. Like in the left side, you'll find the appearance option and see the customize. So click on this customize option and just this will open. You can see in the left side, you will find the options like see the global options here. And you will see the typography, colors. So if you want to change the color button, scroll to the top like this. So you can do that. Let's enable this scroll to top. In the right side, you will find the one, button like this. When you scroll, you'll see there the black button in the bottom. Once you click on this, that will go up to the top like here. Okay. Now just back and you will see here go back. You can see the lot more option about theme. So you just need to publish these changes and your website is ready. Let's go to the Coding Bus shop page. Let's click on the logo. And now we have all the things like this. Done. Now, suppose if you want to change that one page, that home page, if you want to change. So it's really simple. Let's click on the edit with Elementor like this. Return. Now you can change the text. Let's just click on this. Not now. Okay, this is the summer offer. This is the 25% off. So I'm going to say the 50% off like this. Let's click on that shop now button. This link is from this page. This button is not linked to the any page. You can add it there. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to my website here. And I'm going to just, that should be from the man like this. Just copy that link, go here and paste that link here. That shop now page is connected. Now that shop now button is connected to that product category to the man. Okay. And let's update all these changes. You can do all the changes like that. Amazing, right? So I'm going to show you that website here now. And this is our website. It's really fantastic, guys. So you can see the all products, all the info, like footer, social media links. You can see this is the whole website here. You can do the checkout and everything here. Let's go to the shop now, and you will see all the products here. Let's click on the any products. And now you can see the add to cart button. Let's click on the add to cart. Now you can see the view cart option. And now final, you can apply the coupon code also, like TCB100, apply coupon code like this, and then just go to the checkout like this. Because this is the 150 and we have added the coupon code TCB100, it means we are giving the 500 discount. It means all that discount. This product is just free of cost. Okay, so that's really fantastic. Okay, and let's click on the place order. It's done. This is the overall e-commerce website that we have created using the WordPress platform.